Welcome to Natural Lifestyle Remedies, a haven for those who believe in the power of nature to enhance beauty. We're here to share easy-to-make, effective DIY skincare treatments that harness the goodness of natural ingredients. Our mission is to promote alternatives to chemically laden products, encouraging a healthier, more sustainable approach to skincare. Imagine the difference a touch of nature can make to your beauty routine. If you enjoy our content and find it useful, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. In a world full of synthetic skincare products, why should we turn to nature for solutions, you may ask? The answer lies in the gentle power and nourishing properties of natural ingredients. Unlike their synthetic counterparts, natural ingredients are free of harsh chemicals that can irritate and damage the skin. Imagine applying a skincare product only to find it stripping your skin of its natural oils or causing an allergic reaction. With natural ingredients, these problems are significantly reduced. They are kind to your skin, working with it rather than against it. Moreover, natural ingredients are packed with essential nutrients that your skin craves. Vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals found in nature can help restore the skin, promote elasticity, and fight against aging. So, why settle for synthetic when you can harness the power of nature? It's like having a personal, gentle, and nutrient-rich spa right in your own home. Nature offers us a treasure trove of ingredients that can help us achieve healthy, glowing skin. Now, we venture into the exciting world of DIY face masks and skincare treatments. Imagine being able to customize your skincare routine with ingredients right from your kitchen. That's the beauty of DIY treatments. It all starts with understanding your skin type. Dry, oily, combination, or sensitive, each skin type has its own set of needs. For dry skin, hydrating ingredients like avocado, honey, or yogurt are your best friends. Oily skin can benefit from the balancing properties of ingredients like lemon, egg whites, or clay. If you have combination skin, you might want to try a multi-masking approach, using different masks for different areas of your face. And for sensitive skin, soothing ingredients like aloe vera, cucumber, or oatmeal can work wonders. Once you've selected your ingredients, it's time to prepare them. This could be as simple as mashing up an avocado or as complex as brewing a green tea. Just remember, the fresher the ingredients, the more potent their benefits. Next, apply your DIY treatment. Take your time to massage it into your skin, allowing the nutrients to really sink in. Leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with warm water. Don't forget to moisturize afterwards. With these simple steps, you can create your own skincare treatments that are tailor-made for your skin's unique needs. Let's recap what we've learned today. The magic of natural skincare is that it harnesses the potent power of Mother Nature, offering a healthy and holistic approach to our beauty routines. We've delved into the myriad of benefits that natural ingredients bring to the table, from their anti-inflammatory properties to their ability to nourish and rejuvenate our skin. We've also journeyed through the process of creating our own do-it-yourself treatments. From refreshing face masks to skin-soothing serums, we've discovered that with a little creativity and a few kitchen staples, we can whip up effective skincare solutions right at home. And let's not forget the importance of experimentation. Our skin is as unique as we are, and so it's crucial to try different ingredients and recipes to find what works best for our individual skin needs. Remember, the secret to beautiful skin lies in nature. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more natural lifestyle remedies.